Hello, dear friends. If you are growing plants, there is a simple, easy way to supply nutrients for the plants. So, whatever fruits and vegetable waste we get in our day to day usage from our homes, you can give it to the plants. The fruit peels, the vegetable peels. Here you can see what I have collected today: onion peels, garlic peels, this is papaya peels, carrot, beetroot, cucumber. So whatever we can collect every day, instead of throwing them out, you can use them for the plants. When we feed them to the plants, it supplies the nutrients that the plants need. There are a variety of ways which we can use. You can use them directly. This does a lot of good for the flowering plants like roses. You can feed for all plants, and when we supply different peels, it gives the needed nutrients for the growth of the plants. You can put them directly in the plants. We have pots, the flowering plants, so you can use them directly, or you can, here you can see the banana peels. I have dried it, so after it dries you can powder and mix with the soil. Orange peels, banana peels, or you can soak the peels in water for a couple of days and use that water. I have put a lot of videos about them earlier in my channel. If you haven't seen them, please watch them as well. So whatever we are throwing out, we can use them for the plants. So I am going to put them in the pots, all these peels. This is very beneficial for plants like roses. The peels, if you put in the soil, it will release slowly the nutrients. This is the hibiscus plant, so I'll put some here as well. Plants need a lot of nutrients, so there are a lot of things which you can use for the plants, like these peels. You can use coffee grounds used, extract from tea bags, or water used from cooking of vegetables, etc. This is very good for the plants. This is our rose plant. You can see a bunch of roses, looks beautiful. This rose is white flowering one, so we'll put some here. So whatever possible, the vegetable and fruit peels, it's good to use them in the garden. And if you have compost bin, if you make compost at home, you can add this biodegradable waste to compost as well. This is very good natural fertilizer, very good for the plants, and is zero cost for us because this is something which we are reusing. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. Take care. Bye.